Hi, good day. My name is Hugo Belder. I am the project manager of the Facility Lifecycle 3D Model Standard project of USPI. I'm happy to answer a couple of questions for you about the standard. The survey that we performed gave us a number of findings. First and foremost, the finding was that industry standardization of 3D model development and associated data can reduce the cost of design and construction activities. We also found that keeping the 3D models as built over the asset lifecycle can significantly reduce the repairs and maintenance in brownfield situations, in the engineering cost of those. What we also found in subsequent work that we did on developing a business case, we actually saw that the operating expenses in brownfield projects is actually accounting for 2/3 of the total cost of ownership of the asset lifecycle, and 3D models can actually help to reduce those costs. Now, this unrealized value of the facility 3D model is actually identified between 0.8% and 2.3% of the asset lifecycle cost. That's CapEx and OpEx. So it's a significant amount of money that is involved. And what we found in this survey is also that standardization is seen as a key enabler of actually unlocking this value. And that's why we are developing this standard. So who is developing this FL3DMS standard? It's pretty straightforward. It makes sense that owner-operators of large projects and facilities are involved, which they are, but also the engineering, procurement and construction companies. Both play a very important role in making sure the right, correct requirements are being delivered, and where actually a lot of the value is being unlocked in their daily activities. The other people involved or stakeholders involved are also the software vendors, because it's a piece of technology that is required, and without having the right support in the tools, it's going to be very hard to maintain the data correctly. So we have really a collaboration between those different stakeholders, and that is actually setting the scene for the quality specification.